Welcome to Study Point. Here we are discussing some important questions of Internet and computer networks. Our first question is, which one of the following is not an application layer protocol used in Internet? Given options are option A, remote procedure call, B, Internet relay search, C, resource reservation protocol, D, local procedure call. The correct answer is option C, resource reservation protocol. So, see the explanation. Resource reservation protocol is a transport layer protocol used on internet. It operates over IPv4 and IPv6 and is designed to reserve resources required by the network layer protocols. Next question. Which protocol assigns IP address to the client connected in the internet? Given options are A, DHCP, B, IP, C, RPC, D, RSVP. Your correct answer is option A, DHCP. So what is DHCP? DHCP stands for Domain Host Control Protocol. It is responsible to remotely assign IP addresses to the clients connected to the internet. The server that performs these functions is called the DHCP server. So IP means Internet Protocol. Next question. Which one of the following is not used in media access control? Given options are A, Ethernet, B, digital subscriber line, C, fiber distributed data interface, D, packet switching. Here correct answer is option D, packet switching. So packet switching is not really related to media access control, as it just features delivery of packets of data between devices over a shared network. Internet is actually based on packet switching. Next question. Which of the following protocols is used in the internet? Given options are HTTP, B, DHCP, C, DNS, D, DNS, HTTP and DHCP. So here correct option is option D, DNS, HTTP and DHCP. So HTTP is used to browse all the websites on the World Wide Web. Next, DHCP is used to allot IPs automatically to the users on the internet, and DNS is used to connect the users to the host servers on the internet based on the domain name. Next question. Which of the following is an example of Bluetooth? Given options are A, wide area network, B, virtual private network, C, local area network, D, personal area network. Your correct answer is option D, personal area network. So Bluetooth is a wireless technology used to create a wireless personal area network for data transfer up to a distance of 10 meters. It operates on 2.45 GHz frequency band for transmission. Next question. Which of the following computer networks is built on the top of another network? Given options are A, overlay network, B, prime network, C, prior network, D, shift network. Given options our correct answer is option A, overlay network. So what is overlay network? An overlay network is a computer network that is built on top of another network. Some examples of an overlay network are virtual private networks (VPN) and peer-to-peer networks, P2P. Next question. What is internet? Given options are A. Network of interconnected local area networks. B. A collection of unrelated computers. C. Interconnection of wide area networks. D. A single network. The correct answer is option C. Interconnection of wide area network. So, the internet is a global network formed by connecting wide area networks, enabling worldwide communication and data sharing. Actually, internet is the network of networks. Next question. When a collection of various computers appears as a single coherent system to its client, what is this called? Given options are A. Mail system, B. Network system, C. Computer network, D. Distributed system. So your correct answer is option D. Distributed system. So what is distributed system? A computer network is defined as a collection of interconnected computers which uses a single technology for connection. A distributed system is also the same